If you want to earn money in dollar from anywhere in world, if you are in Pakistan, India, Afghanistan, or Bangladesh without any investment, just you need mobile, internet, remember to share with friends the Amazon Affiliate Program, also known as Amazon Associates, allows individuals to earn commissions by promoting Amazon products through customized affiliate links on their websites, blogs, social media, or other online platforms. Here are some key details. 1. Sign up. You need to sign up for the program on the Amazon Associates website. You'll need an Amazon account to get started. 2. Choose products. After signing up, you can choose products from Amazon's wide range to promote. You'll receive a unique affiliate tracking ID and can generate affiliate links for specific products. 3. Promote links. Share the generated affiliate links on your website, blog, social media, or other online platforms. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission on the sale. 4. Commissions. Commissions vary depending on the product category and the number of sales you generate. Rates can range from around 1% to 10% or more. 5. Tracking and analytics. Amazon provides tracking tools to monitor your clicks, conversions, and earnings. This helps you understand which products are performing well. 6. Payment. Once you reach the minimum payment threshold, which varies by country, Amazon will pay you the commissions. Payment options include direct deposit, Amazon gift cards, or checks. 7. Policies and guidelines. Amazon has specific guidelines on how you can use affiliate links, including disclosures that you're part of the affiliate program. Violating these guidelines could result in termination from the program. 8. Geographic restrictions. Keep in mind that the Amazon Associates program is not available in all countries. Make sure to check if your country is eligible. 9. Cookie duration. When someone clicks your affiliate link, a cookie is placed on their device. This cookie typically remains active for a limited time, usually 24 hours or more, during which any purchases they make on Amazon will still earn you a commission. Please subscribe for next video